If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR above. We grade PSA, PGS, and TAG. So thank you guys for your support. Back to the video guys! So welcome back to another video naman guys. Meron naman tayong bago from PSA. And ito pa ang tsata itong anggo. Yan. Batch 40 something na yata ito guys. Isa lang ito. And boom. Grade. So from day May 2030 until further notice, wala tayong bulk submission. So sa mga gusto mag-submit dyan, we can accommodate regular and express and super express. So for me, okay lang kasi mas bibilis yung mga ibang nagpa-grade, diba? So we agad. Anyways, ito muna. People up PSA 10. Nice one. Next one. Umbreon PSA 10. Next. Charizard PSA 9. Ito wala siyang white soft pero hindi meron siyang PSA 9. So next one. Mewtwo PSA 9 din. Pusang gala. Next. Mewtwo Gold PSA 10. Black Zekrom. Mahal na pala nito. PSA 10. Dati magkano lang yung Black Zekrom, no? Around something na siya. Next one. EV PSA 9. Next, Charizard Mega X PSA 9. Mew PSA 9. Next one, Lucario PSA 10. Charizard PSA 10. Peasant PTP DPT PSA 10. Next, Lily's Determination PSA 10. Puro PSA 10 tayo ah. Next one, sino to? Milotic PSA 9. Next, Lucario again PSA 10. Next one, Charizard PSA 10. Pikachu PSA 10. Next one, Charizard again PSA 10 again. Dragonite Mega Rare PSA 10. And last, grabe pawis ko guys oh. Bubble Mew PSA 9. Ito pala yung last. Ito yung Van Gogh PSA 6. Paano naging 6 to? May dent siya sa harap. May dent siya dun guys. So ayun guys yung mga cards. Na i-ship natin. And papadala tayo ulit guys. No bulk submission muna, no value submission. Pure regular lang and express and super express. So sa mga gusto magpa-grade niyan, yeah. Picture ko muna pala. So yun muna guys, ang init, grabe. I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace, yo, peace, peace. Yan guys, so lapit na makompleto yan. Let's go! So guys, meron tayong nabili kanina. Chaos Rising. Wait lang na tayong ilaw. We have a stand light. Wait, yan. Dapat dito sa harap. Tapos lakasan natin. Yan. May Chaos Rising tayo. Then, dalawang newest set OP13. Yan, guys. For another episode of Another Day. Another opening naman tayo, guys. So, this one is 1-3 na. Yan, nagmahal na sila, guys. So, babaguhin natin yung yung angle. Wait lang, ay, tsaka i-angle natin pababa para makita yung buo. Ayan guys, ewan ko naririnig nyo pa ako. Ayan. So let's go guys. We will open this one. I don't know what to expect. Pero this is my favorite arc. Marineford arc. Why? Dito ako nagsimulang dinibdib yung One Piece. Yung ibang arc kasi hindi ko gano'n nasubaybayan, pero pinanood ko naman. Yan. SR. Long time no rip guys ha. Long time no rip. Okay, next one. Last time we opened, puro SR lang yung nakukuha. Uy, SECA. So we have a manga chance. Manga chance. Di ba manga dito? Ganun pa rin ba? We have manga chance guys. Last
Last time I pulled manga, it's Manganika. Hey, can we do it again? Can we do it? No, we cannot. And yeah, we cannot. So we got an SEC ace. That's it, guys. Kaya ako nag-open eh. Ito na lang. Last. Sleeves. Okay. Ooh, we got Mega Green Ninja Full Art. Let's go. I thought SIR na eh. Yan na lang kulang ko. And we got Cobalion. We got SP! Oh my god! SP! Katakuri! Let's go! Di pala siya nasama, naipit. Oh my god! Buti tinanggal ko yung mga ano. Buisit na yan.